I just would like to react on the reaction of Congress doon sa naging press con ko doon sa inyo, with you guys, di ba? Klaruhin ko, General Acop, sir, hindi po ikaw ang pinatamaan ko doon. You were never a sip-sip to the Duterte administration. I never heard you sang praises for the war on drugs that we waged during the Duterte administration. Kaya nagtataka lang po ako bakit ka nagre-react. Hindi po ikaw ang pinatamaan ko doon, sir. Yung iba po, hindi po ikaw. Kaya po, I'm very sorry kung you reacted that way. Hindi po ikaw ang pinatamaan ko. I have high respect to General Acop, to Congressman Acop. Isa yan sa mga PMAer na naging politiko na hinahangaan ko. Dalawa yan sila ni Senator Lacson, aking iniidolo na mga PMAer turned legislator. Kaya po, sorry kung nahagip ka doon sa sinabi ko. I did not intend to mean it ikaw yun. Meron lang ibang kasamahan mo dyan na, let's face it, totoo naman talaga, na kung sing ng praises towards Duterte and the war on drugs before, ay ngayon kung makatira sa war on drugs, wagas. Yun lang po, I'm just being frank. Pero hindi po ikaw yun, sir. I never heard you sang praises towards the war on drugs. I never observed you to be sip-sip during the Duterte administration. Wala pa ako nakita sa'yo dahil magaling ka. Yung ginagawa mo, alam mo yung ginagawa mo. Pero sorry lang po, nagtataka lang ako bakit ikaw ay nagre-react. Hindi po ikaw kasama doon sa aking pinapatamaan.